Hello, Shirley. This video is for you. I am going to see if I can show you with my screen how to submit your journal assignment. So I'm going to put the video over here in the corner and hide while I open up my desktop so we can discuss how we do this. Okay, so I'm going to pop into Module 1. Here is all of the assignments. There's no journal in here. You just have a quiz and a discussion. So I'm going to go over here to Module 2 and then scroll down to the journal. In here, in orange, I have the hyperlink. But here you can also read what the assignment is. But that information is also in the hyperlink. So here's the due date. And I'm going to extend that for you because you didn't really understand how to submit it, and the possible points. As you are reading the information here on the assignment and how to turn the assignment in, you will see here that there's a place where you can attach files, and it says Browse My Computer. You click on that, and then here are some of my different Word documents here, but you pick like if you wanted to go on your desktop to find your item, you go to your desktop and then you find whatever, see here are my bills and my dentist information and my benefits, but you look for a Word document that is your journal article and you click it here and then click open. I'm going to click cancel, but once you click open, you will find it here. Let me see if I can do that. All right. Even though I'll click open and then you'll find it sitting out here. Okay, so I'm not going to attach this to submit it, but after you have what you need attached there, I'm going to scroll this down just a little bit. You can see where you can click the submit button, and that way you can send your submission to me and I will get it right away. Hopefully that makes sense to you, and you can send your assignment right in. If you have any additional questions, you can call me. I'm going to be in the office today. But also, what I would like for you to do, we all have smartphones at this point, send me a video of what you see. And that way, we can see what each other sees. For students who have videos on their computers, I can do a video chat, so we can chat just like this, like we're in the same room. But not everyone has a video camera on their computer as standard. So you can send me videos from your smartphone to see what you see, and so I can guide you from there. So I'm sorry you couldn't meet during the office hours or in the evening this week. If you're still having difficulty, we can meet sometime this week, but I didn't want you to go another week without understanding how to do this. So feel free to call me. Bye-bye.